way to make a mold, and a really quick mold, is to actually just build it solid. If you don't have the patience or the skill to coil build it, you can just slap one together. So now I'm going to make just a very simple slump mold, and you can turn just about any kind of container into a place to slump clay to create a slump mold. Anything from a yogurt container to a dish from Target or IKEA, and one of my favorites is just a bucket, and it creates just a very, very simple mold. Perfectly lovely hump bisque mold. So another way to make a bisque mold is to actually throw it, and this is great if you want something that's perfectly symmetrical, or if you want your finished pot to sort of reference something that was made on the wheel. So I'm going to show you how to make a closed form.